What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a GMC Acadia opened if the battery dies in it. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2017 Acadia in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And the battery's not actually dead in this vehicle, but we're still going to run through the demonstration. So if the battery is dead in your Acadia and you walk up and try to use the door handle or you try to unlock it with the key, it's obviously not going to work. So what we need to do is get the emergency key out of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now we're going to use the emergency key on the driver's door handle. So taking a closer look at the driver's door handle, underneath you can see that little slot right there. That's where we're going to use the emergency key to remove this cap right here. So what I'm going to do is take this hand and pull the door handle open, and then I'll take my emergency key and I'm going to push it up in there and then just kind of wiggle it a little bit. And then you'll feel the cap start to loosen off, and we'll take it off like that. Now you'll use the emergency key in your key cylinder to unlock it. And then we'll be able to open the door. And then from there, you can pop the hood in order to change or charge the battery, whatever you need to do. The last thing I want to show is how to put this cap back on. So in order to get this cap back on, what we want to do is, if we're looking at it like this tab is going to go closer to the door handle. And if we're calling this the right-hand side, this side needs to hook on first. So I'm going to kind of come like this and get that right side, this side hooked on. And then once I feel it kind of hook on, it'll just push on and snap on like that. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.